Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Affirm when shopping on Amazon so you can divide your purchase into smaller monthly installments. So to start, browse Amazon normally and place the product you want into your cart. After choosing your item, proceed by clicking either buy now or continue to checkout from your shopping cart. Once you reach the checkout page, Amazon will ask you to confirm your shipping address and select a payment option. In the payment section, look for financing choice labeled something similar to pay over time with Affirm or monthly payments. If Affirm isn't immediately visible, expanding the installment payment section may reveal it. After selecting Affirm, continue to the next screen. Amazon will either open a separate window or redirect you to the Affirm login page. Sign into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't used the service before. At this stage, Affirm may perform a quick approval review to determine your eligibility. Once approved, you'll be shown several repayment choices, commonly spread across a few months up to a year depending on the purchase amount. Each option displays the estimated monthly cost and any potential interest charges. Choose the payment schedule that works best for your budget, then finalize the financing request. After confirmation, the order is completed through Amazon like a normal purchase, while your installment payments are managed directly inside your Affirm account. And that's basically the full process for using Affirm on Amazon purchases. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.